There, let's have some fun with dissonances. I'm gonna show you a fast ascending lick, including a lot of minor and major seconds. I'm into 3 notes per string scale shapes, and they make it very easy to emphasize seconds intervals. Here's such a scale shape. I call it scale shape number 1. When playing a 4-note roll like this, on 2 strings, 3 notes on one string and 1 note on the other, then the difficult thing is to separate those both notes that are on different strings. The 3rd note on the lower string and the 1st note on the upper string. And this time for the lick, I especially let them ring together. What you then get is a second. And now the lick. It's actually a simple back and forth idea, more forth than back, otherwise we wouldn't go up. And emphasizing those seconds. And from here I'm gonna move horizontally. There, this is a very effective left hand legato stamina and sliding technique exercise. It also trains in a great way your muscle memory. I'm into 3 notes per string scale shapes like this. Those 2 strings here. These 6 notes, I call this 6-packs. And we got 7 of them covering the whole fretboard. It could be different keys, but let's think it in E minor. First I'm gonna show you all 6-packs, starting with this here, the 2nd one, 3rd one, Here we are through. This is the same 6-pack which I started with, only 1 octave higher. And the exercise goes like this. Play the first 6-pack up. Only the 1st note on each string is picked, the rest is legato. So if you go upwards, it's hammer-ons. If you go backwards, it's pull-offs. First 6-pack up. Slide into the next one. Then pull down. Now I'm on the index finger and slide this into the next 6-pack. This is up and so on. And you can adapt this also to other strings. Because except of the G and the B string, on each string pair, this chain of 6-packs looks the same. Only you start at a different point.